Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Synchrony Bank how to verify external account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to verify external account of Synchrony Bank, what you need to do first is simply head over and log into your account by simply opening up the app and then log in Synchrony Bank online account credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to the transfers or external account section. Then simply provide your external account's routing number, account number, and indicate the account type, whether it's checkings or saving. Then alternatively, you can also call customer support at 1-866-226-5638 to initiate the setup over the phone as well. The next is to wait for verification deposits. Synchrony will send 2 small micro deposits into your external bank account. This usually takes 1 to 2 business days. Once the deposit appears in your external account, log back into your Synchrony account and go to the external accounts or transfer section and enter the exact deposit amounts. And then after successful verification, Synchrony will mark the external account as linked and you will be able to initiate ACH transfers to and from that account via app or website. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.